What?
How pleasant to see you again.
Where in the cosmos am I?
You are in another universe.
Those wheels look nice. They look like maybe they're smaller rolling diameter than factory too, right?
No, they're the same, dude.
Same?
Yeah, they're almost identical to my stock set.
Well, they look fucking awesome. What kind of wheels are those?
They're 1552 tarmacs. Real cheap,
Is
bro.
that expensive or?
No, they're cheap.
Sweet. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. That's a good time. That's what a good time looks like. Weight savings all around, but gotta have that JL. Gotta have that JL. Can't do without. I fully agree.
That'd be no fun at all.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Look, it took no time at all. Yeah, what's up? What's up? Looking good, looking good.
How you doing?
Hey, dude. I'm just getting some video. Got my own badge. Yo, that Toyota 4-banger sounding mean as fuck. It's that something else.
Yeah, you want to see it? It's changed up.
I do. Hey, dude, good to see you. I can sort of tell a little bit that, oh shit, that is a supercharger pulley if I ever seen one. That's a big change from when I last saw this car.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that smile. He's into it. Flip of that. Now that is in-house engineering right there. Press it up, baby.
Oh, yes.
The supercharger's gonna get plenty of attention.
Yeah.
Hey. It's true.
I'm a king, man. I run the underworld, guys. I decide who does what and where they do it at. What am I going to run around and act like I'm some teeny bopper somewhere for somebody else's money? I make the money, man. I roll the nickels. The game's mine. I deal the cards. Dismiss this life.